Hot water is something we all rely on every day. But when your water heater stops working, life gets uncomfortable fast. Many homeowners wonder how to repair a water heater. And while there are small signs you can watch for, the truth is most issues need a professional plumber. Some of the most common warning signs include no hot water, strange popping or rumbling sounds, rusty or discolored water, or leaks around the heater unit. These are all signals that it's time for expert service. At DrainPro Plumbing and Septic, we repair and install gas water heaters, electric water heaters, and tankless water heaters. Our plumbers are trained to handle heating element issues, thermostat problems, and even full system replacements. We also provide maintenance services that extend the life of your water heater and help you avoid costly emergencies. From annual inspections to tankless water heater installation, our team makes sure you always have reliable hot water at home. If your water heater is giving you trouble, don't wait for it to get worse. Call DrainPro Plumbing and Septic today and let our experts handle the repair.